In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Telegram desktop app. We'll walk through the entire process from downloading the official installer to completing the setup on your computer. I'll keep it simple and clear, and along the way, I'll share helpful tips so everything goes smoothly. First, open your web browser and head to the official Telegram desktop website. The safest way is to search for Telegram desktop download and click the result from the telegram.org domain. Make sure you're on the official site before you proceed. Avoid third-party download pages and look for a secure connection indicator in your browser's address bar. On the Telegram page, choose the download option that matches your operating system, Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. The site may automatically suggest the right one for your device, but double-check before you click. If you see several variations, the standard 64-bit option is usually the right choice for modern computers. Next, download the installer file. Your browser will either start the download immediately or ask you where to save it. If you're prompted, choose a familiar location like your Downloads folder. Keep the browser window open and wait for the file to finish downloading completely. If the download seems slow, make sure your internet connection is stable and avoid putting your computer to sleep during this part. Once the download is complete, open the installer file from your Downloads folder. On most systems, you can just double-click it. Your operating system may display a security prompt to confirm you trust the app. This is normal. Check that the publisher information looks legitimate, then choose to continue or run the installer. Now, follow the on-screen instructions and click Install. The setup wizard will guide you through the process with a few straightforward screens. In most cases, the default options are perfectly fine, so you can simply proceed without changing anything. If you're offered to create a desktop shortcut, enable it if you want quick access later. Finally, wait for the installation to complete. You'll see a progress bar, and this may take a minute or two depending on your system. Avoid closing the installer or shutting down your computer during this step. When it finishes, you'll see a confirmation message that the installation is complete. That's it. Telegram Desktop is now installed. If you ever run into issues downloading or opening the installer, try re-downloading from the official site, check that you have enough disk space, or temporarily pause aggressive security settings that might block new apps. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly installed Telegram desktop.